Hey, not for the pet. No.
What? Don't move away, silly.
Hey, I saw him going for
Maya got the pig. Hello, piggy. Hello, piggy. Wait, see the pig.
Here, like this.
You probably want something else other than hay.
Over here. Come here, silly piggy.
Hey, other than farting.
No. Just make a snorting sound.
Why are all the sheep and goats?
He likes the carrot. See? He wants a carrot. See, this thing just pushed me. Look, this thing behind me. Good one.
Take this and this and this and this.
It's pushing me out of the
Run
way.
away, Benjamin!
It's pushing me out of the way.
A little pig. We can get those as pets.
Zoe, this goat is pushing me. It's a mommy goat. Look. They're like tissy. Yeah?
Come pet them?
Probably. Yeah, we can pet them.
Hey, stop pushing. Hey, no.
It just wants to eat. Let it eat. Silly.